So check this out. I thought this was pretty cool. I have so much trouble keeping up with AI news, and I know that's most people because so much is happening so fast, but I created this AI powered news scraper that scans for everything happening in AI. So it uses multiple APIs and news websites to find everything that's going on. So we just fetch the latest news and then it finds everything. And I've just added AI summary. So with the LLM in the background, I think we've got Gemini and we've got OpenAI. I was trying to do a bunch of other things because I was going to get it to analyze my tone and do RAG and then write things for me so I can summarize some of this stuff. But I'd rather go through. It was having some trouble with the YouTube API. But I'd rather just go through, so be informed about what's going on, and then manually get AI summaries, which is what it does. So I can go and read the full article and it will bring this up in a box. I can just scroll through. But when I click summarize, it breaks everything down. So it does an AI analysis, it categorizes everything for me, breaks it down into 3 to 4 minute reads, and then just gives me the highlights, which is awesome. Risk assessment, I don't remember asking it to do this, but the risk of stagnation for companies that do not fully leverage AI, the risk of not meeting heightened customer expectation in the age of digital narcissism, the risk of not adapting quickly enough. Okay, I guess it's giving the key points, industry implication, executive summary, in case I want to now turn that into a tweet or create a short based on it. So I would just use the key intelligence, but of course I'm going to want to be able to go over and check the actual article, check where it's come from, because I have chosen the news places, but some APIs you don't know who has managed to get their website into these APIs. So you do want to double check some of this stuff, especially as it gets quite political as well. So you want to make sure we're checking everything. But I don't know why I'm saying you want to make sure. This has not been made for anybody else. This is me just experimenting. I thought it was quite cool. I do get a number of, I am signed up to a few different AI newsletters. However, I thought I can just like have this on my desktop, make it myself. And I can also get it to send me notifications as well, so I can filter the things that I definitely want to hear about. So for instance, if I don't want to hear anything about crypto, or I don't want to hear anything about Trump or USA Russia war or anything, I can just filter that stuff out. Amazon's AI wants to own online shopping data, and it comes up. So that's quite cool. So the sky's the limit with this stuff. I just thought that was a cool thing to be able to create. So yeah, it's a desktop app. So I just double tap this and it opens up. So you can make anything. It's not just websites and apps and tools. You can make anything. This is the time of the builder. So all of the because I get loads of comments from angry developers, which I don't see why anybody's angry, because no one's stealing your job. Nobody's taking anything away from you. Go develop your stuff. But I find it so funny how many people are disgruntled by the fact that you can just build things now. This is not something I would pay anybody to build for me. This is just something that I felt I want to know more about AI. I want to stay up to date. So let me build this. So I thought that was quite cool. Anywho, that's it. Just a quick video, just checking in. Right now, I'm really just focused on Smart Directory Pro. That's what I'm building. That's going well. But every now and then, when I take a break, I will go into Claude Code, which is what I built this in, and I'll play around and see what can be done. So